Welcome, guys. Welcome. Sorry about that. I don't know why I'm to that one here now. But anyways, I come up on the bed, so you just decide say you want to drop. Well, my face, I like I was eating chicken neck. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. So guys, I'm here snacking on the wrong things. And I just feel like something to snack on. Guys, I'm currently trying to work on my double H. Yeah, me snack on the wrong things. But part of life. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Where is it? Hold on there. What happened? When I'm trying to sign out. Guys, when I'm trying to sign out from Canada, you know. So that was a good go. I'm gonna Google to sign back in the channel. These are the things I can manage. Okay. Welcome everyone. Oh, why would my channel sign out though? I don't understand that. Mobile account. Mm, I don't understand. Still not that one I want to say. Where's this bloody account? Manage account on this device. Manage account on this device. If you know where do you go boy business here. Right. Welcome. Thank you for the likes. Because I try signing back my account. The account here when the pan come off of the laptop. I don't know how. But me try sign something. This taking ages. Yeah, network connection was interrupted by what? disconnect. Connecting. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Welcome, everyone. Seems as if we're gonna get some rain, you know. I don't know why that takes so long to sign in. Guys, I feel like my foot kind of feel a bit swollen. Oh, okay. Sometimes the laptop here don't even want to add the Wi-Fi. Welcome everyone, welcome. Guys, I'm just here resting my legs a bit. So, this internet thing, I'm not getting anybody cuss bad word, no? Let me try for the very last time. Welcome everyone, welcome. Welcome guys. It's not reloading. Let me welcome my beautiful peeps. Welcome, welcome. Welcome my beautiful peeps. Guys, my account log out for the notebook. I'm in know why now logging back. I don't know what's happening. Welcome everyone. That's my favorite. Mm. It's keep the Wi-Fi keep jumping off. Welcome, welcome. I don't know where you put up and retract it, but whatever you put up and you retract it, why you retract it? As I know, it's not that I'm doing it because you're. I don't know why you put up and delete, but anyways, when I go bust my brain panda one day, I'm not gonna bust my brain on that. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me restart the computer here because I don't know what happened to it, but I'm trying to add back in the account, but it's not even taking the Wi-Fi. Welcome, welcome. Let me see something. Let me keep my mouth shut. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Stop running up and down. Sound like garbage truck. Welcome. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Alert come to the phone. So that's why it cut it off a while ago. Um, ugh. Everyone welcome. Come to your attention. As man, I don't know if I did like a walk with me walk this morning. Make my foot feel so. Or because I sit down one place and hanging down my leg. It not too bad. Not too bad at all. Huh? What's this? How can I find this? Oh. Right. Switch accounts. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna take on the outside, but just give me a minute here. I'm gonna try to start out the account here. Because I don't want to forget the password. My beautiful peeps, welcome. And to all my Punjabi friend, salam alaikum. So to all my Punjabi friend, salam alaikum. Okay. Hello, how are you doing? Hope that all is well. Could you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet? Guys, because my laptop did I give me a problem with the Wi-Fi. I couldn't able to finish set up my live stream. Because normally when I do a live stream, I put it on subscriber mode and stuff. So kind of slightly having a headache. I think it's the thing that I just ate causing that. It's the chocolate and cheese thing. Right, welcome the guys. Make care on oh, I know about let me highlight you, my sweetie baby. Sweetie. I-O-R-I-O-I-K. Welcome. That's my telestem. I don't know how people do it in about my telestem. Being at home. Ugh. Being at home is so boring. I can't wait to go back on the hostel. Being at home is not for the weak. Oh, welcome. Welcome everyone. I'm gonna switch to flip this look a bit. Flip it. So, gotta drink some water. I'm from Jamaica, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. Where are you from? Where are you from, my friend? Jamaica is beautiful. Yes, I do. Yes, it is. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Anyway, guys, it's laundry day, okay? So everybody is doing laundry today. Alright. Fix this where you guys can. I'm not gonna can see properly. Yeah, that's the way it is. Guys, my tablet there. Look at the pepper tree. What did you put up on it? Um, okay. I'm a practical nurse. I have a small business where I sell clothes on the streets. So, whichever one you want to work with, work with. Give me a few seconds, guys. Make a mute the mic a little bit. Welcome, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Welcome, welcome. So, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right. The sun's scorching hot. Okay, guys. See the pepper on the tree? I am here. I am here. So, guys, I have peppers coming up on these trees. I picked some yesterday, and I still have some more here. See, I have, so there's a lot of pepper on this tree. These are things that Juliana, plant. And we have the oregano. See it here? That's it's spreading. So what I need to do, I need to cut off piece and put it in a different container so it can grow differently. Because I don't want it to spread like that. So this is how the pepper tree looking, guys. When your hands are clean and your heart is pure, whatever you plant have to come. When your heart dirty and your mind dirty, nothing what you plant is not gonna come. It's not going to come. None at all. So if your mind not clean and your heart not clean, nobody try plant nothing. Everything you plant it a go. You not gonna come. You not gonna come leave planting alone. You know, you have some people where them like for plant stuff, you know. But everything that they put their hands to, it not work out for them. Because you know, mine are clean. What I get ready? The mine are clean and them hands filthy. So because them hand filthy, everything them I try, it just not working out. Welcome, alright? So you have to ensure that whatever you are doing in life, ensure that your hands clean, your mind clean, everything clean. Hold on, guys. So yes, guys, Jose is back home. Welcome everyone, welcome, like and share the stream, guys. Move, my cat, move. Welcome everyone, like up the stream, guys. So as me I say, when your hands are your mind now dirty, no way I do. It come like say it just now work out for you. And the next thing too, sometimes we can be too quick for judge people, you know. You know what need to happen? You see if you hear say somebody say something about you, ask the people when they say talk something about you, ask them. Don't be afraid to ask because if I hear say Mary or John say something about me, guess what? I'm gonna ask you about it. And if you're not prepared for me to call back your name, don't tell me. Because I know say it take two persons to talk about a person. And people like to carry go and bring come. That's what I mean. I sit down and talk nothing about people, you know. You see, anything that I am gonna sit down and talk to anybody about, it must be about my YouTube channel. I'm not sit down for people name because that is not helping me, or that can't help me none at all. That can't help me. So what can benefit to me, that is what I talk about. Things I have no control over, I do not talk about it. Anyways, guys, I'll definitely catch you in a next live stream. I hope for do a whole while, but babes reach home and I'm gonna attend to him. So love you guys. Bye. See you in a next live stream.